Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust on PlayStation 5. First, ensure your PlayStation 5 console is fully updated to the latest system software. Then, head over to the PlayStation Store and search for Rust Console Edition. You can purchase and download the game directly from there. Once installed, launch the game and prepare for an intense survival experience. It's crucial to have a stable internet connection for online multiplayer. Rust's core gameplay revolves around gathering resources like wood, stone, and metal. You'll use these to craft essential tools, weapons, and a secure base. Survival means managing hunger, thirst, and health while fending off environmental threats and hostile players. You can choose to form alliances with others or engage in thrilling player-versus-player combat. Building a strong base is vital to protect your valuable loot and provide a safe respawn point. Playing Rust on PlayStation 5 utilizes the DualSense controller effectively. The left stick controls your character's movement, while the right stick manages the camera view. Dedicated buttons allow quick access to your inventory, crafting menus, and map. The DualSense's haptic feedback enhances immersion, letting you feel the impact of actions like harvesting resources or taking damage. You can also customize your control layout in the game settings for a more personalized experience. For newcomers, starting on a low-population server is highly recommended to learn the ropes without constant threat. Your immediate priority after spawning should be to gather enough resources to build a small starter base. Crafting a stone pickaxe and hatchet early on will significantly speed up resource collection. Remember, losing your gear is a common and expected part of Rust. Learn from each encounter and rebuild stronger. Persistence is key to mastering this challenging game.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.